tutorial I'm going to show you how to permanently unlock Metro PCS Android smartphone. Okay, the first thing you need to do is to make sure that you install a non-Metro PCS SIM card. Make sure it has nothing to do with the network. T-Mobile has the same network as Metro PCS, so if the T-Mobile card doesn't work, try a network that's totally unassociated with Metro PCS, such as Verizon, AT&T, or Sprint, or another carrier, and then see if that works. So I installed already in this phone a non-Metro PCS SIM card. So make sure the phone is fully powered off, and then with the SIM card installed, power the phone on. Okay, so I'm going to power the phone on. Okay. Well, as you can see, you're going to get this message right here. Now, the next thing you need to do is to connect to a Wi-Fi connection. Since the phone is not activated, you're going to need an internet connection to complete the device unlock request. So go to OK, go to Settings, you have to get an internet connection, so go to Wi-Fi. So make sure that you connect to an internet connection. Okay, so I'm connected to the internet now. Now once you're connected to the internet, just go here. Now go to Device Unlock, go to Continue. Go to Permanent Unlock. And there you go. Unlock approved. Mobile device is permanently unlocked.